In terms of raw performance, the 300-watt motor pulls sticky messes and pet hair with authority. During one accidental testing scenario involving a dropped, uncooked egg and shell, it vanished in a single forward pass, leaving virtually no streak behind. The machine uses a self-propulsion system, which is powerful, almost too powerful. It feels like an eager puppy dragging you forward. You have to actively brace against it when pulling the unit back or turning corners, which can be tiring during long runs, especially if you are maneuvering around small spaces. On auto mode, I reliably get about 30 to 35 minutes of runtime. This is enough for my entire 1,400 square foot downstairs hard floor area, thanks to the larger 900 milliliter clean water tank. It is important to remember that this time will drop significantly if you spend a lot of time in ultra mode, or if the battery degrades over a few years, which is a real concern given the fixed internal battery.